How to log into Tractor Supply credit card account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open up any web browser that you want and here search for Tractor Supply credit card login. Then click on this very website that you can see. It's the first one over here. Once you're on the website, you want to click on the user ID and then enter your user ID. If you want your user ID to be remembered, then check this box right here that says remember my user ID. Then enter your password. After this has been done, click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your user ID, you have the option to retrieve it by clicking on this link. If you have forgotten your password, reset it by clicking on the reset password option. Click on register your card if you have not created your account and you want to create one. And that's all for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this.